Hello YouTubers and welcome to DigiBlooD Online. In this video we'll be unboxing the Huawei P9 Lite. So follow me and let's get it on. Today we'll be unboxing the Huawei P9 Lite, which is a mid-range cell phone in the range of $300 USD. So let's turn it around and break it open. So we have cut open the box, and the first thing greeting us is a broken plastic bag, which the phone is located in. As you probably all can see, there's a small hole in it. So let's unwrap it and check out if there's any damage to the screen. Looks great, no damages, the plastic is intact. So let's check out the back side. There's some information about the buttons, the email number 1 and 2, the nano SIMs and the micro SD. Let's see what else there is in the box. Cool, there seems to be picture icons on all of the boxes here. Headphones and USB cable, charger icon and one with the manuals. So let's open the one with the power adapter icon on it. The power adapter seems like any other Samsung power adapter. It's 5 volts at 1 amperes. Maybe you guys can see it here. Try and zoom it in. Wasn't that easy though. Let's see if we can do anything about it. No, okay. Okay, that's the adapter. Let's go for the next box. The headphones and the USB cable. Ooh, AirPods. We don't like those. So let's check out the USB cable first. Looks like a decent quality cable. Looks like a good build. Isn't very thin cables, so these look pretty decent. The cable thickness is there and everything, so it's not a cheap cable. Ooh, AirPods, we don't like those. So Huawei, here comes advice for you guys. Include a couple of earbuds and not AirPods. These are just a pain to use. So this is my own opinion, guys. I see that Apple includes them in their packages and there's probably other manufacturers also doing it, but I still like the earbuds better. They fit better in your ear, you can use it while you're practicing, cycling, running and whatever. But the AirPods will fall out sooner or later. At least in my ears though. Oh well. Say goodbye to the AirPods. They're going in the Bermuda Triangle of drawers. Okay, it's time for the manual. Oh, there we go. I was looking for that. This is the pin for the SD and SIM card slot. Looks actually like any other pin. Okay, let's open the box and check out the manual. Oh my god. Why oh why Huawei would you put a security label into the box? It looks just like the one on the outside. Oh well. Okay, it's the boring manuals. Yada yada yada. The same exciting thing as always. Let's warranty label, blah blah blah. Let's throw that away and let's see, check out a couple of pages here. Okay, that's interesting. The phone handles dual SIM cards only if you're not using a SD card. So you can use a SD card and a SIM card, or 2 SIM cards. Okay. I thought you could use all 3 together, but you're only able to use 2 and 2. Even though, looks okay. Okay. The rest looks like any other stuff in these kind of manuals. Oh, okay, here's the... wait. Yeah, that's the button layout. Pretty much the same as the label on the back side of the phone, so actually not that interesting. Well, it handles NFC. Woohoo. Let's see if there's something else here. Nah. Okay, gonna throw that away now. So let's check out the most exciting thing in this box. The security label. Gonna try and focus. Okay, that's the best I can do. And I can show you guys, it looks just the same as the one on the box. Why, oh why would you include that? Okay, let's power it on and see what happens. I'm excited. Okay, let's find the power button. I think I'm just gonna put it here and let you guys see what happens. Okay, it's time to choose language. I'm gonna choose English because I don't like Norwegian on my phone. I need to choose a region. Norway doesn't seem to be an option. So I think I'm just gonna choose US for now then. Okay. So time to connect it to the guest network, the Wi-Fi network here. The password for it is no secret, so I'm not gonna hide it. Allow updater to access the SD card. Sure, we're gonna allow that. Next, privacy policy and update policy. Sure, we're gonna need to allow that. How to update magazine. Unlock covers. Over Wi-Fi. Not sure what it is, but I think I'm gonna allow it for now. Or maybe not. We're gonna leave the auto update cover off for now. Wi-Fi Plus. Well, we're gonna enable it for now and just go next. We don't want to copy any old information over. We gotta set up a new account for this phone. So let's enter the email and the password. Whoops, I think I entered the wrong password. So we need to do it all over again. So it's checking info. Automatically backup system information. Sure, we want that. We don't want to add any credit cards to this account. Set screen lock. Sure, we want that. We're gonna use a 4-digit code pin. I'm gonna hide this. Restore default settings. Not even sure which default settings it's talking about. The phone hasn't been used before now, I hope. No, sure, we're gonna do that. Full reset. Allow Huawei ID to make and manage phone calls. A Huawei ID is recommended to log into a number of Huawei applications to enjoy the Huawei experience. This is probably something like a Samsung account. Sure, I will allow that. Generating new account. Okay, I need to enter my birth. It's 20th of August. 76. Gonna name the account DigiBlooD. Sure, I agree, else I won't be able to create the account, I guess. And there's more, of course, why not? Okay, I need to enter my phone number so I can activate the account. Allow Huawei to send SMS messages. Denied. I don't think I'm gonna allow that. Next. And then I need to check my cell phone for activation code so I can activate my account. And there we have the code. Next. Okay, it looks like I need to set a password. Sure, why not? Use fingerprint ID to replace your password. No, I don't think I will do that. Okay guys, looks like the configuration is successful. Huawei Home needs the following permissions to be enabled. Blah blah blah. Sure, we're gonna allow that. That's it guys. Wow, this is really responsive. It's moving fast. There is some bloatware here. We're probably gonna uninstall that. We're gonna use the phone for a couple of weeks and get back to you guys. So far so good. Okay guys, if this video sucked, you know what to do, but if you liked it, subscribe and hit the like button. Also, check out our new website. More information about that in the comment section below.